Here is how to tie a very simple head wrap as a beginner. So join me and let's do it together. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share this video and leave a beautiful comment. Enjoy the tutorial.
Cup of coffee warm where the plans have been. Click and a flash, a world to unfold. Chasing the moments worth more than gold. Cameras rolling, life in the frame. Simple joys and a life to claim. Filters fade but the heart stays true. Every story we tell begins anew. Vibes in the air like a sweet perfume. Editing late by the glow of the moon. Through highs and the lows my story's told. In every upload there's a piece of my soul. Cameras rolling, life in the frame. Simple joys and a life to claim. Filters fade but the heart stays true. Every story we tell begins anew. Clicks and connections with people unknown. Strangers turn fans and I'm never alone. Each caption and post my life in rewind. I just keep creating, chasing my grind. Cameras rolling, life in the frame. Simple joys and a life to claim. Filters fade but the heart stays true. Every story we tell begins anew. Begins anew. Cameras rolling, life in the frame. Simple joys and a life to claim. Filters fade but the heart stays true. Every story we tell begins anew. Begins anew.